For the last few years, the Sport Auto has truly been the watch that I haven't been able to take off my wrist. It's an incredible thing really, because until you put it on, until you wear it, you just don't appreciate how good it is. In full grade 5 titanium, it has up until now given you the time and date. But for Watches Wonders 2026, Laurent Ferrier has introduced the new Sport Traveler. For the very first time, it has a GMT function which allows you to track both your home time and your local time. Which for a watch like this, which was designed to be worn, designed to be traveled with, designed to be at the pool, at the boardroom, at the dinner table, it makes complete sense. We know the complication from the Gallet classic models of years gone by, and if there were ever a complication to introduce into the Sport Auto, it really had to be the dual time. The singular reference, the grey slate dial, I think is magnificent. It's something that people just don't talk enough about when it comes to Laurent Ferrier, is the design touch, the sensibility around colours. For me, Laurent and Martin and their team just nail it every time. Incredibly beautiful to look at, but also, more importantly even, incredibly easy to use. To adjust the date, it's exactly the same as it was on the Sport Auto. All you do is pull the crown out to the first position to quick set the date window at 3 o'clock. Position 2 is to move the hands, which you'll notice are connected to the date window at 9 o'clock, which shows you your second time zone. And if you want to adjust your local time by the hour, this is where it gets fun and hugely satisfying. You can activate the pusher at 9 o'clock to move forward an hour, or activate the pusher at 8 o'clock to move backwards an hour. This to me is going to be a smash hit, and clearly one that's going to be in the portfolio for years to come.